How do you block email addresses in Gmail? So to block emails here in Gmail, you can actually just click into the email. And so from this sender, in the upper right, you'll see this More button, 3 dots. We click that and we'll see block that person. So that will block the email. And you can click block again. Any future messages will be sent to spam. If you want their messages automatically deleted, I'll show you how to do that. And to find all the addresses that you've blocked, you can actually go to your settings, go to see all settings, and then you can go to filters and blocked addresses. And you can see down here that we have this address blocked. Now, to just automatically delete messages coming from that address, so they won't even appear in spam at all, you can actually just click up here into the show search options. So that's our filter. Anything from that email address, we're going to hit create filter. So what do we do from that email address? Well, we're going to just delete it. So we could check mark delete it. Also, if you have any conversations already that apply, like you have like 600 emails sent from that email address, you can check mark this and we'll go ahead and delete all those as well. But what we'll do is check mark, delete it immediately, create filter. Now that filter is created. You can actually see in the filters and blocked addresses, we have the address blocked and we also automatically delete emails from that address. So you'll never see an email from an address that you do that to. Now, if you want to unblock it, all you have to do is click on this button, unblock selected addresses. Sure, but you also need to remove this filter or else they're just going to be deleted anyway. So I'm going to go over here to the right and delete that filter just like that. That's how you could allow that address to send you emails again. And that's how you can block emails here in Gmail.